Jimin was going out in a hurry when he bumped into someone. Jimin, sorry, sorry, aunt. Mom, it's okay. Both become shocked seeing each other. Jimin shocked. Mom, she tried to go when he comes in front of her. Mom, Jimin, Mom, you? Mom, teary eyes. How is he? Jimin, he is suffering from heart attack. Mom, how did all this happen? Jimin, don't know he was behaving strangely nowadays and didn't talk to us. Mom, tears flowing. Something bothering him. Jimin, where are you, Mom? Mom, I will come later. I have to go. She ran away from there when Jungkook came hurriedly to Wan's room. But he saw Suga sitting with Wayan. One, thank you, Mr. Yoongi. I heard you saved me. I'm so glad to have a friend like you. Soga, anything for you, Miss Wan. You are a pure soul, and good people always suffer, but someone has to protect them. Like me, as a good friend, I will always help you. One, thank you so much. Are you okay? Are you also injured? Coughing. Suga, I am all okay, but you just take care of yourself. You are looking weak. Wan, thank you. And both were talking. Jungkook was standing outside, looking at Wan's smile, his heart etching, seeing her with someone else. He went inside. JK Nam, are you okay? Wan heart pounding. Cook, he comes and hug her. She felt a kind of relief cause of his warm hug. One, I'm okay. You tell me, are you okay? Are you fine? And dad, how he is? What happened to him? JK, he is undergoing treatment. He had a heart attack. One shock. What? Is he okay now? JK, doctor is treating him. Thank you that you reached there at the right time. One, no thanks to say. He is my dad too, and it's my responsibility to save him. But all credit goes to Mr. Min. He saved me and dad too. JK coldly, thank you for helping both of them. I can't pay you after what you did for me, for my dad, and for my wife. Suga's heart etching cause of the pressure Jungkook putting in my wife. He looks down, Van is admiring Jungkook. He was cupping her cup cheeks. Suga, you take rest. I will come after some time, okay? One, yes, have a good day. And Suga left. JK kissed Wan's cheeks and forehead and placing head on her chest and hugging her vest. Wan felt shiver and tickling sensation. JK, I miss you so much. I was so scared. One, without making you a good husband, I will not leave you. JK side eyes. I'm not a good husband. One, any doubt? JK, not even 0%. One, you are 99% good. JK blushed. Thank you. One, only on bed. JK, a playful eye wiggle said, I'm teasing sort of. One, you are good, only in bed. JK, okay, doesn't matter, at least I'm good for you in some way. One giggling, you are very good for me, but sometimes I don't know what happened to you when you turn from a good person into a bad person. JK make me a bad person. Mom walked alone on the road, her heart heavy with worry. Dad had a heart attack and was in hospital. She wanted to see him. She felt sad and scared, her mind racing with thoughts of what might happen. She walked faster, hoping to distract herself, but tears sprinked at her eyes. She missed Dad and wanted to hold his hands, but for now she had to wait. Zhao, so you want to meet him? Secretly? Mom, why are you stalking me? Zhao, did you go to meet him or not? He jerked her hands. Mom, he is my husband. I will go. Why you care? Zhao, well, that same husband who hasn't come to meet you even once till now. You are going crazy for the one who left you and went away and never thought about you even once. Mom yelled, because of you he left me. Otherwise we both were living peacefully. He loved me and I loved him. You came into our life and ruined everything. Zhao, if your husband loved you even a little bit, He would trust you. Mom, how could he believe me when his own friend told him that he loved his wife and make him truth on his lie? He was insecure from the beginning, and you indicate the fire in it. Because of you, I lost my love. Zhao, and what about my love that I have for you? Is my love nothing for you? Mom, you cheated on me. You forcefully tried to make me yours. Flashback. Mom, thank you for coming here. I really want your help. Zhao, it's my pleasure. You tell me what happened. Mom, today is our anniversary and I want to give him a big surprise. Will you help me? Zhao, expression change. Yes, why not? Come. And both start decorating the rooftop. Mom, when he comes, he will be a big surprise to see this decoration. Zhao, why do you love him so much? Mom blushed. Don't know. I just love him, that's it. She was about to go when Zhao held her hands. Zhao, I want to say something. Mom nervous. Yes? He sat on his knees, holding her hands. Her eyes winded. Zhao, if you don't have any reason to love him, I also don't have reason to love you. Zhao, I love you with all my heart and will always do. So, do you want to be mine? Suddenly her expression turned stern, her eyes speaking like a shark's. What are you doing? He held a hug to her waist. She was shocked. Zhao, I love you very much, and ever since I have seen you, my heart is not at peace. If you are not mine, then I will die. I only like one girl in this world, and that one you. Mom surmised. Are you crazy? I'm married and I'm your best friend's wife. How can he stand up and pull her into his hug? She pushed him. Jungkook, Dad, this is our personal space. It would be better if you don't interfere in it. This is not a conflict between my brother and me that you are trying to solve. It is a matter between a husband and a wife, and we both will handle it together. Dad, I'm watching how you are fighting with your dad and giving him an answer. JK, there is nothing like that, Dad. I just want you to not interfere in my personal life. Dad, I was doing this only for the good for my son, but I have no problem with that. You will realize your mistake later, and someone will leave you and go away. JK was staring at him and left from there. Dad thought, I don't want what happened to me to happen to my sons also. JK was waiting for Vine when she came to the bedroom and saw everything was decorated. There was many flower decorated in the room and dinner was set on the bed. Vine heart pounding. What is this? JK, I know that due to work we cannot go out. Sometimes you are busy, sometimes I am busy. So I thought why not have dinner at home but like outside? Vine smiled. Oh, thank you, but I had already had dinner. I had gone to meeting with Yoongi in a hotel, so we had our dinner there. JK's heart etching, his smile lost somewhere. JK, oh, it's okay. One, never mind, I still have some space in my stomach and I can have dinner with you too. JK heard, there is no force with you. If you don't want to do it, then don't. One, how can I not have dinner when my husband has arranged all this with so much hard work? Then I will eat after me filling my stomach. Now I am feeling more hungry. JK blush. Really? She comes to him and sat on the bed. One, now serve me. Yummy, yummy. All these are my favorite dishes. JK Smeek. Today I have ordered your favorite dinner, but after that, I will have my favorite dinner. Why? No, actually, I like stone jewelry more than metal jewelry or gold or diamond jewelry, but I get them in a very less quantity. So, guy, yes, I have seen you wearing stone jewelry many times, so I thought you might like it. Fine, thank you so much. This is very pretty. Cook, see this. This is your favorite color. JK smile. Yes, this is pretty. This is bloom even more on your milky skin. Wine blush. Thank you. I will wear it on a special day. JK, as you wished. One, you came at the right time. My file was ready and I was about to call you for the meeting. Suga, oh, it seems our mind is connected. Whenever you think of me, I present. Wine laughed hard and JK is staring at Yoongi. He was admiring Wine. Wine and Yoongi left a meeting. It was raining heavy hard. The street were crowded. There was a big traffic jam. Wine was worried because she needed to go home. The rain was making it hard to move. The cars were not moving. Wine was getting more and more worried. She wanted to be safe at home. Wine thought, I had to reach home 2 hours ago, but now it's too late. Suga, I don't think we will be able to go home today as all the roads have been closed due to heavy rain and strict instruction are being given that car should not be driven. JK on call. Where are you? Don't you know how heavily it is raining? I'm so worried and you are not picking up my calls. Van in call. I was returning home from the meeting when due to the rain everywhere was jam packed and water was the fill. We are still stuck in the car. JK in call. Are you alone? Van in call. No, Mr. Jung is with me. Don't worry. I will be here till morning. I am trying to get out of here but I'm not able to go anywhere. JK in call. Take care of yourself, and there is no need to go out in heavy rain. I will wait for you. She cut the call. Jungkook sat on the bed, his heart aching, realizing Suga is with Wyan in the same car. Wyan thought, I know that he did not ask me directly and simply hang up the phone, but there must have been a flutter in his heart as to who I am and with at this time and who I am in the car with. I need to go home as soon as possible. Suga, what are you doing? Wine, our car cannot go, but I can go by walk. Suga, what? But why? Wait in the car.